This is the gentleman's guide to the perfect slick back hairstyle. First things first, forget about everything else. Trying a new hairstyle is supposed to be fun. Don't expect to look different if you're not willing to experiment with your hair. When you're ready, this is what you'll do. First, make sure your hair is perfectly clean. You want no product buildup from the day before. So wash it well, then towel dry it. No need to be aggressive here. Take it easy on your hair. Treat it like gold. Time for the tools of the trade. If you're tired of dry, lifeless hair, you'll need a small amount of the Forte Series Hydrating Oil. This will give life to dull hair. Next, grab a hairdryer and a brush. Since you want your hair to be slicked straight back, you want to flatten your hair and straighten it with the brush. Brush it from front to back, on top and on both sides. And make sure you follow the brush with the hairdryer. Do this until your hair is completely dry. Now, it's time for the finishing products. If you want the perfect slick back look, the product you use will make all the difference. That's why today we're using the Forte Series Pomade. Get a finger scoop onto your palms and emulsify it until it's even. Then apply onto your hair, focusing on the ends. Make sure to get any part of your hair that is visible. Next, use a wide tooth comb to pull your hair back and into the desired shape. The comb will add an ideal amount of texture. To lock this style in, apply 3 spritz of the Forte Series Freeze Spray. Now, that hairstyle isn't going anywhere. Well, you've achieved the perfect slick back hairstyle. Now you're ready to take on your day, night, event, party, wedding, or whatever it may be. Trust me, you're gonna crush it with this look.